Digital transformation is accelerating, dramatically shifting how businesses operate and forcing them to become more agile. This is driving increased investment in private and public cloud services. But with this shift comes complexity, requiring a comprehensive yet flexible solution that can mitigate potential threats and protect and recover data at scale, wherever it lives. Veritas NetBackup is that solution, providing enterprise-class data protection and ransomware resiliency across every cloud model. At its core, NetBackup is a fully integrated solution that delivers unmatched versatility and control in the cloud. It prevents data loss and operational disruption with an array of powerful capabilities. These include automated orchestration and backups to achieve near-zero downtime, cloud-native immutable storage that ensures backup data integrity, artificial intelligence and machine learning anomaly detection that catches suspect behavior early, and single console visibility, giving you a holistic view across all your cloud workloads. With NetBackup, your organization can conquer the complexity of data management in the cloud with seamless migration, tiering for long-term retention, and data reuse for DR, test dev, and analytics. Unlike many solutions, NetBackup supports all the top cloud vendors, meaning you can meet all your private, public, and distributed cloud needs with confidence and ease. What's more, NetBackup lets you take full advantage of deduplicated cloud storage, resulting in significant benefits like reduced expenses and OpEx costs, heightened operational resilience, unlimited scalability, and greater agility. When it comes to data management and protection in the cloud, NetBackup is the most powerful, versatile, and cost-effective solution available to enterprises. See what NetBackup can do for your organization. Visit veritas.com/netbackup.